may notice a hissing noise. Even though you maybe turn off the fan vents, you still may hear some hissing kind of behind the dashboard. Not sure how good the camera will capture it, but what's even more interesting is that I shut off the engine and there's still that hissing. Perhaps you can hear better now. Nothing to worry, just want to show you this. There's the this is the ECM, the ECU, and other cars. The controller for the engine, and we have a small vent. You won't see it now, but it's really underneath the reservoir here. I just cannot really lift it, but you hear the hissing of that vent, and that's triggered by the there's a sensor, temperature sensor. When this guy go a little bit too hot, it's especially summertime, perfectly normal. It should shut off by itself in a few let's say maybe I will just keep this open, but it keeps going on for 1-2 minutes after shutting off the engine. Again, only warm summer days. And you have this kind of a tube here, goes inside the firewall, and this one it's also insulated and goes basically inside the cabin. And these guys here actually suck the hot air from inside the this box for the ECM. It sucks the hot air from here, brings it inside the cabin, so it's not the other way. It's just gets the air inside the cabin. Kind of weird. I was expecting it suck it from inside the cabin here, but earlier years they had a kind of hole onto the cover, but I think 2002 or 3 they removed that hole, so this guy don't get humidity. And perhaps that's another reason why the air is sucked into that cabin and not from the cabin, so you don't get humid air inside these modules, the connectors basically. Now this guy, the small fan, you notice it's just stopped right now. That fan, it's good to remove it from there. It's you need to undo this cover. It's a little bit tricky. You have a clamp there, and I believe you have another one here, and that's it. Just lift it, but it's stuck on the modules. This guy don't really want to slide off the first time you do it, so careful. Just push down on these guys so you don't pull on them, and try to pull on the cover on both sides. But that guy, is good to remove it from there. Give it a spin, see how easy it turns, because sometimes because of humidity or stuff it kind of starts turning a little bit rough, less speed, I guess, after 10-15 years. So it's got good to check it out. It's very expensive at Volvo, so I found another car from junkyard, and that one was spinning much better than mine, so I did replace mine. But it's good to give it a try, because this is the ECM. If that thing really, make sure it's really nicely connected. I think the connector is underneath, but if that thing fries up or stays up, I've never heard such issue, but just to be sure, then you will get perhaps this guy's overheating inside and the engine will shut down. I guess that's a kind of safe mode. Engine will shut down, but you better not fry these two guys here up, because these are programmed to the car. There's no way around but to go to Volvo. Not even XC Modex, I think they can fix these guys. Make sure this cover is really tight in there, secure on all sides, so you don't get humidity inside. This is it, so nothing to worry about it. Just want to share this tiny information. Here's a view of the little but important cooling fan. The connector is right there on the sidewall, and you just have to lift basically 2 covers, the top one and the middle one. The middle one stops there somewhere. You see the edge, and just slide the thing from there and give it a spin. Just test it by hand, see how easy it turns.